experience a relaxing cottage lifestyle right here in the city. This impressive 8,075 square foot custom-built Bungaloft is set on an almost 6.5 acre nature paradise, less than 10 minutes to both downtown Ancaster or Dundas. This amazing property offers a stately entrance, set back from the road and completely tree covered. Enjoy outdoor activities all year long, including access to over 40 kilometers of Dundas Valley Conservation hiking trails, just steps from the property. Or your very own private trails behind the house for walking or sport utility. There's a beautiful pond for visual enjoyment, or it can be used for skating or hockey in the winter, not to mention tobogganing hills on the other side. Kevin here with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. Welcome to 814 Binkley Road. Inside, a captivating grand foyer features a 21-foot ceiling with 9-foot ceiling heights on all levels. Built with superior construction, you'll find elegant finishes, bold millwork, and 8-foot solid maple doors. The main level features large functional living spaces perfect for entertaining, including the spectacular great room with a 14-foot coffered ceiling, a high-efficiency wood-burning fireplace, all leading in to this gourmet eat-in kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, servery, walk-in pantry, and formal dining. This impressive residence has 8 bedrooms and 6 total bathrooms, with 2 bedrooms here on the main level, including the primary with a large 5-piece ensuite, oversized dressing room, and breathtaking views from a private deck, with 3 additional bedrooms on the upper level, all with ensuite access, and a 600 square foot partially finished area above the garage with potential for a second primary. Finished walkout basement offers family recreation space or fantastic multi-generational living. There are 3 bedrooms, a full bath, laundry, and this beautiful full kitchen. efficient home has 2 geothermal heating and cooling systems, 2 water heater systems, HRVs, humidifiers, 2 reverse osmosis systems, and a whole home generator. Spend your entire summer entertaining your family and friends, relaxing by the pool, playing lawn games, having a campfire, or stargazing at night. And best of all, there are no neighbors, so you can enjoy in complete privacy. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with Roy LePage. If you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.